how do you say I love you in Polish? Polish can be quite a difficult language otherwise, but when it comes to saying I love you, it's reasonably simple. That's how I would say it. It's just two words, Koham che, koham che. You can actually see behind me the way it is written, and in Polish, a lot of the words may not exactly sound, the way they are written. There's a major difference between the pronunciation and the way things are written, but more or less, this is relatively simple. And Poland being a country where I've stayed most amount of time after my own native country, which is India, I happen to pick up a lot of Polish words, phrases, and considering the enormous number of beautiful girls in Poland, you're bound to pick up phrases like "I love you" and "you're beautiful," etc. So as far as "I love you" is concerned, it's "kocham cię." You can always work on it. You can say like "kocham cię, kochania." Kochania is sweetheart. So "I love you, sweetheart" becomes "kocham cię, kochanie." And if you want to say "I love you, my sweetheart," then you can say "kocham cię, kochania moje." So moje is mine, or mine. And you can also say, if you want to say "I love you very much," then you can say, "kocham cię bardzo." Bardzo is very, and it is used in a variety of contexts in Polish. When you want to say "thank you very much," you say "dziękuję bardzo." Or when you say, it's like an extreme form of welcome, you say "proszę bardzo," which is like, really, I'm really grateful. Please, thank you, that sort of a situation. So similarly, when it comes to "I love you very much," you can say, "kocham cię bardzo," and then the response to that can be, "bardzo cię kocham." So there are so many different ways, and in which you can express your love in Polish, and I hope I've been able to help you with this little endeavor of yours. Cheers.